Are you curious about stock trading but worried about legality and safety? Let's break it down. Stock trading involves buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. It's a legal and regulated activity in the USA, ensuring fairness and transparency. Stock trading not only helps individuals grow their wealth, but also fuels the economy by providing capital to businesses. In the United States, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, oversees and regulates the stock market. The SEC's job is to protect investors, ensure fair markets, and facilitate capital formation. It holds companies accountable for accurate and honest reporting. For example, public companies must file regular financial disclosures, which the individuals like you can trade stocks through licensed brokers or trading platforms. Popular platforms include eStar Trade, Robinhood, and Fidelity. These platforms are registered with the SEC and provide user-friendly tools for trading. When choosing a platform, consider factors like fees, available tools, and customer support. Stock trading isn't just about individual stocks. You can also trade ETFs, mutual funds, and options. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are collections of stocks that track specific sectors or indices. Mutual funds allow you to invest in a professionally managed portfolio. Options trading, while more complex, offers the ability to hedge risks or leverage investments for potentially higher returns. Always ensure you're trading through a licensed broker. These brokers comply with SEC regulations to safeguard your investments. Licensed brokers also offer educational resources to help you make informed decisions. If you're new to stock trading, here are a few tips to get started. Learning about the market is crucial. Use resources like books, online courses, and even tutorials provided by trading platforms. Demo accounts allow you to practice trading without risking real money. It's a great way to build confidence. Diversifying your portfolio reduces risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in multiple sectors and asset types. Finally, set realistic goals and have a plan. Trading isn't about getting rich overnight. It's a long-term journey. The SEC also provides resources to help you spot fraud and make informed decisions. For example, always be cautious of unsolicited investment opportunities or guarantees of high returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stock trading in the USA is a legal and accessible way to grow your wealth. Ready to start your journey? Make sure to do your homework, use licensed platforms, and trade responsibly.